Matisse high tooth gesso. We won't go into the gesso side of it too much because there's plenty of other videos we've done on that. But basically a gesso is a primer that you put down before your acrylics or several other things that you can use over the top of it, but it seals the surface. The difference with the high tooth gesso, it has all the good things that gessos have, but also it has a high tooth. What does that mean? Okay, sandpaper has a high tooth. It's rough. So when you want to go over the top of the surface with charcoal, pastels, oil pastels, even encaustic, they will grab into that surface and physically bond into the surface of the high tooth gesso. As an encaustic gesso, not only is the gesso heat resistant, but rather than using a traditional encaustic gesso that you've got to mix up and do a whole lot of things to, and it's prone to growing mold and all that sort of stuff, this gesso will behave like a normal acrylic gesso. The Matisse high tooth gesso is probably going to be as archival a primer as you're going to be able to get for your encaustics as well as all your other work. So if you've been looking for a gesso that's got just that little bit more tooth to it, why not give high tooth gesso a go? And don't forget to subscribe.